I forgot
And then
to
the
spell.
next one is Tha, which is As-Sawabu, which means
What?
As-Thawbu,
Yes.
which means I don't know actually. I know Thawab was Thob.
Thobe.
Like
What am
Thob?
I wearing? Thobe.
Oh, that kind of Thob, okay.
It means cloth. It can mean cloth. Yeah.
Mm.
الثوب. جزاكم الله خير. We'll go to I see Hassan next.
To tooth meat, inshallah.
Yeah.
Al-Jannatu, so that is the paradise.
Yeah.
And the second one from the same column, Al-Himaru, the donkey.
Yes.
And on the left side,
Let's go to حروف الشمسية.
Ad-Diku, that is the rooster.
Yes.
And Al-Dhahabu, I'm not sure what that one is.
ذهب والفضة. ذهب. It's haram for men to wear ذهب.
Oh, jewelry.
ذهب specifically.
Oh, bracelet. No, gold.
Gold.
Right.
Yes. So الذهب means the gold. Okay.
The gold,
جزاكم
yes.
الله خير.
Wait.
Maimuna, you can take the next, inshallah.
Is it sorry, حرف الخاء? Sorry?
Yes. حرف الخاء.
Okay.
نعم.
الخاء الخبز,
Yes.
which means bread,
The bread. Yes.
the bread. And then عين, we have العين, eyes, the eyes,
One eye. The eye.
the eye.
Hmm.
All right. And then for ra, we have الرجل, the man.
Yes.
And then for Z, so Zin,
The or Zay. Yeah.
الزهر, الزهرة,
Yes,
like
and
flowers.
yeah, and make sure you say the last letter.
الزهرة, الزهرة,
Good. Try it saying the word one more time.
الزهرة.
Okay, so you're
It's like a تاء مربوطة, so
yes, if you stop
الزهرة.
on it, it becomes a hat. But I also wanted you to make sure that you weren't saying al zahratu, which you said a couple of times. So
الزهر,
الزهرة نعم الزهرة or الزهرة.
الزهرة.
Good. Jazakallah khair. Asma, let's give you Ain, Ghain from Ghain over here, inshallah. Over
For sure.
right
So
here.
mine is al-qada'u. I'm not sure what it means though. Like
It
we
means
didn't learn
the
this yet,
lunch.
right? Okay, the lunch.
Al-ghada'u. Yeah.
Okay. And then we have seen, or actually, should I do fat first?
You can go fat, yeah.
Okay, so fat is al-famu.
Yes. The mouth.
Again, the
That's
mouth.
fine. Yeah,
Okay.
this is a new one. Yeah, the mouth. And then
And
here?
then seen is as-samaku.
Yes.
Is
It's also a new word.
no, I know sama is sky, but I
Yeah.
don't know.
As-samaku is the thing in the water, the fish.
The fish. Okay.
Okay.
And then sheen we have ash-shamsu,
Yeah.
sun.
Yeah, the sun. Jazakumullah khair.
Okay.
And Alicia, we'll go with you now, over here.
Okay. For Qaf, Al-Qamaru,
Yeah.
which is I'm blanking on it. Um,
We're studying which letters?
the Qaf, the moon.
Yes.
Yes, sorry. And then Kaf, Al-Kalbu,
Yeah.
which is the dog.
Yes.
For Sod, As-Sod, As-Sadru.
Good. That means what?
Um,
The chest.
okay.
Like a person's chest, not like a treasure chest. Like a person's chest. As-sadru.
And then for Dod, it's a daifu.
Yes. Ad-dayfu, which means the guest. Perfect. MashaAllah. Good job. Zayn, we'll go to you, inshallah. We are over here at Meme.
Okay, so the first one is al-ma'u. Uh, I just did it. I don't remember the meaning.
You need this to survive.
Page 5 is what, water?
Yes. Yes. The
I thought
water.
that's moya, no?
Moya is like a slang way that people say it.
Oh,
But if you read in Quran, وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً, and we descended from the sky water, ma'an. People say moya, they say may. This is a slang term, but go ahead. The next one, inshallah.
that's al-waladu, which is the boy,
Good.
and then it's at-talibu, which is the student,
Good.
and is al-zakhru.
Yeah.
I don't know the meaning of the word though.
Does anyone know what al-dhahru means? Not dhuhr. Al-dhahru.
Back?
Yes, back. It means back. Al-dhahru. Jazakumullah khair. Okay, so now we'll go over here. We have ha. I'll just finish this. Al-hawa'u means the air. Al-lahmu. So lam over here is shamsiya because we go straight to it. Actually, there's a difference of opinion if it's shamsiya or qamariya, but we'll keep it on shamsiya side, which means the meat. When you go to the shawarma place and you say I want lahm, it means you're saying you want beef. Okay? Yeah, but generally speaking, it means meat. Al-lahm. Al-lahmu. Okay? And when you go and you want chicken, you don't say deek. You say dajjaj. I want dajjaj, okay? Dajaja means chicken. Okay, yeah, over here, al-yadu, the hand. And noon and najmu, which means the star. So these are 14 and 14. An easy way to kind of read these and remember them is to look for the shadda, okay? On the letter after the lam. That's how you'll know if it's going to be a shamsiya letter. And if there is nothing on that, like when you're going to be reading, once we get to like books, like they're not going to put anything on it. But right now, they'll be putting a shadda. So a shadda is the W sign that you see over there. Okay. Where is my drawing thingamajig? Here we go. So this thing is called the shadda. This W that you see over here. All right. When you see that on a letter after the lam, you're not going to read the lam. The lam will be cancelled out. Otherwise, generally, the lam will always have a sukoon. If it's supposed to be read, it will have a sukoon on top of it. Even in the Quran, for example, we'll take a quick example for this from the Quran, so that when you're reading, you understand that, oh, this is Shamsiya, this is Qamariya, because Quran is in Arabic, it has to follow these rules as well, the Arabic rules. Okay, so let's make my page a little bit bigger. How do I do this? Quran. I want to make this as big as possible. Okay, let's change my screen to sharing this part over here. Can you see Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So look at the word Ar-Rahman and Ar-Rahim. There's nothing on the lam, and the shadda is on the ra. So we're not going to read the lam. Ra is from Shamsiya. That's how it's quick. So you don't have to memorize all of those letters, but when you're reading Quran, for example, you just have to notice where is the shadda. Is the shadda on the word after the lam? If there's no shadda, that means you're supposed to pronounce the lam. For example, over here, I read Al-Alamin. You see, there's a sukoon on the lam. Al-Alamin. And the same thing, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim again. And over here, Ad-Din, the shadda is on the dal, right? Over here, Al-Mustaqim, the meme doesn't have shadda, the lam has sukoon. So I read the lam. As-Sirata, The Sad has Shadda and it's a Shamsiyah. So that's a quick tip يعني you can apply inshallah when you're reading. Let's go back to the book. Inshallah, we'll wrap up now. Bi'idhnillah. I don't want to go over the time. So over here, this is again, اقرأ التمرين is the exercise. اقرأ الكلمات الآتية الآتية واكتبها مراعيا قواعد نطق الحروف القمرية والشمسية. So it's saying read these words and write the fatha, the kasra, dhamma, the way I just showed you. If it's shamsiya, you'll put a shadda on the letter after the lam, and if it's qamariya, you'll put a sukoon on the lam. So you have all these words. These are new words as well, and we'll go over them inshallah once we get to our next class. And that's it, bi'idhnillah. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, inshallah, that's it for today. Barakallahu feekum. Yes, go ahead, Maymuna.
Just to clarify for al-huruf al-shamsiyya, you pronounce the lam. Sorry, you don't pronounce the lam because there's no harakat on it. Instead, the letter that follows the lam, which is the shadda, and then for huruf al-qamariyya, you pronounce the lam because it usually tends to have a sukoon on it.
So
Correct?
what you said is correct, but I just want to clarify one thing, and that is the reason. The reason why we don't read the lam and the reason we read the lam is because of the letter and not is what is written on the letter. So the thing I showed you is a trick that the people who they wrote the Quran and the people who they write Arabic books, they make it easier for us to read by putting the shadda on the letter after the lam. That way it will tell us it's shamsiyah, and they put a sukoon on the lam that way to show us it is qamariyah. But the real reason behind it is what? Is the letter. Okay? Does that make sense?
Okay. Yes, thank you.
Sorry about that. Anyone else have any other questions? Are we good to go? This lesson makes sense? Hassan, it makes sense?
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Zayn, it makes sense?
Yes.
Asma, it makes sense?
Yes.
Okay, Alicia, it makes sense?
Yeah, it does.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, guys. So again, the homework now is just this exercise over here. Again, it's good to get used to now writing Arabic as well on your keyboard, because that's how you're gonna find out the meaning of these words. And also do this exercise over here, the ones before on page 17. So this part up here, you just read. This is the exercise. You read and you just put the last haraka, and you write over here. You fill in these again. Imla al-faragh. Again, same thing. You're just learning more adjectives. غني, rich, حلو, sweet, مريض, sick, لذيذ, tasty, طويل, tall, قصير, short. And then I think there was one more. You can also do this. You match the noun with the adjective. And inshallah, we'll follow up on Saturday, okay? And let me know, inshallah, if any of you guys, what do you think about recording the sessions on Saturday? Should we do that or no?
Yeah, record it. I think recording good.
Okay, but let me tell you, I'll only share the recording with you if you have a good excuse, okay? خلاص, inshallah. Yes, Maymuna.
put it in the group chat. I don't know if you read it, but I was just asking, will the Saturday class be in the same room that we had
Yeah.
it live class?
That's the plan, inshallah. And also for the books, I did share the link from Amazon for the 3 books, and I asked one of my friends if he can print this Arabic Medina book 1. The Arabic Medina book 1 is $10, and then I think the English version is $16. So let me know. I'll put a poll, inshallah, if you want me to go ahead and get that printed for you, if that's a reasonable price for you, and then inshallah I can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, like you can order the book, inshallah, through Amazon, all 3. Yes, Hassan.
So how will the quizzes or tests, like the assessments work for this class?
It'll be in person on Saturdays.
Is it like every other Saturday or
No,
like
I think I think every other Saturday is good. Mhm.
okay, inshallah.
Maybe bi-weekly, we'll see. Yeah.
That's not including the Saturday coming up, right? Or
No,
will we
no,
do
no,
it?
no.
Okay.
Yeah. We'll do it
Mhm.
like 3rd week, not this upcoming Saturday, the one after.
Mhm.
So there should be at least like 2
Oh.
weeks, 2 weeks of like content.
Okay, perfect.
All right. بارك الله فيكم. سبحانك اللهم بحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. You guys are free, inshallah, to go and make sure to try and read over this the link I shared, and yeah, stay active and make sure to do your homework. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa
Alaikum
rahmatullah.
Alaikum
assalam.
salam.